In the quiet corners of Nazareth, an ordinary girl was about to receive an extraordinary calling.
Do not be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God.
What do you mean?
You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you shall call him Jesus. He will be great, the Son of the Most High. His kingdom will never end.
But how? I am not yet married.
The Holy Spirit will come upon you.
Have you ever wanted to create animated Bible stories that can reach millions of viewers and generate real income through YouTube AdSense? So imagine turning powerful Bible lessons into stunning 3D animations that not only educate but also earn you thousands of dollars each month. That's exactly what channels like Bible in a Nutshell are doing. With over 188 million views, they are earning more than $45,000 a year. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it for free. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating high-quality animated Bible stories using AI tools, and I'll also provide you with 5 ready-to-use prompts to help you generate compelling stories, creating stunning images, animated scenes, and maintain consistency actually across the characters. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have everything you need to start posting your own Bible story animations and turning them into a source of income. So let's get started.
So the first step is to get Bible story ideas. To do that, go to the Telegram channel. So I'm going to copy the first prompt now and I'll paste it into ChatGPT. Now this prompt will help you generate biblically accurate stories for your YouTube videos. And as you can see, the Bible passages are mentioned. Each one includes a title, a moral lesson. So now just take a look and choose the one that you want to use. So I'm going to choose this 4th one here, Mary's faith, the mother of the Messiah. I'm going to use this one. So I'll copy it and paste it on ChatGPT. But before you send it, you go back to Telegram. And copy the second prompt. Now this second prompt will help generate a 1 to 3 minute story based on the Bible's title you have selected. You can adjust the story length by modifying the prompt details. Now once ChatGPT has written the full story, copy it and paste it into Google Docs. Doing this will make things a lot easier later on. So I haven't copied the script into Docs. Now the next thing is the most important thing in any Bible story, in any story at all, which is keeping our characters consistent throughout the video. To make this easier, I've created a prompt just for you. So go back to Telegram, copy the 3rd prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now this prompt will help you identify all the characters in the story, and ChatGPT will help provide detailed descriptions of their appearance. These are key details to make sure our characters stay consistent throughout the entire story. So once ChatGPT gives you all the character details, copy them and paste them into a new Google Docs. Now that we have our story and character descriptions ready, it's time to create image prompts for our story. To make this process easier, I've created a special prompt that guides ChatGPT on how to write our image prompts while keeping the style consistent across all of them. So here's what you need to do. Copy the 4th prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, we'll go through each scene one by one. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed image prompt for each scene. Now, for example, the first scene in my story is in the quiet corners of Nazareth, an ordinary girl was about to receive an extraordinary calling. So what I'll do is to copy that scene, copy that line, take it to ChatGPT. Now, before I send it, notice a girl is named, a girl is mentioned, and that girl is Mary. So I'll go ahead and copy the character description of Mary. I'll copy the character description of Mary and add it to that scene. So this step helps ChatGPT to include Mary's exact character description when creating the image prompt. While you can skip this step, I suggest doing it because sometimes ChatGPT might forget to add the exact details of the character in the new prompt. By doing this, I'll make sure Mary looks the same in every scene. This way, ChatGPT will create a detailed image prompt with the exact character descriptions. So repeat this for all scenes, ensuring that the character descriptions stay consistent and accurate throughout the story. Once you have all the image prompts for every scene in our story, the next step is to create the images. Now for this, we'll be using Leonardo AI. So first, you go to Leonardo AI. You click on image creation, copy the first prompt. You do so, you ensure that your prompt, this place is showing auto, select auto, select dynamic, then you ensure you select Phoenix 0.9. Once everything is set, you click on generate. In a few seconds, Leonardo AI will give you 4 quality images. Then let's go to the second one. Copy the image prompt, take it back to Leonardo AI. Let's test if our method is actually working. So now you can see that for the first scene and the second scene, the face is the same and the color of the clothing is the same. So you do this for all the scenes, and once all the images are ready, the next step is to animate them. To do this, I have created another prompt. You copy the 5th prompt, you open a new ChatGPT tab, and you paste it. Next, you go back to the image prompt and you copy the scene analysis. You copy the scene analysis and the image prompt, then you paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed animation description, including cinematic, character actions, camera angles, and movements, and background animation. So let's create another one. So I'll go back to where my scenes are. I'll copy the scene analysis with the detailed AI image prompt. I'll take it back to ChatGPT, put it in tab. Then ChatGPT will then generate an animation description for this scene as well. So you repeat this process for all scenes to generate the animation descriptions. Now, to animate these images, we'll use HaLoo AI. So once you're on the site, click Create. Select Image to Video. Then upload your scene image. Now you go on to copy the scene animation description. Paste it. You click Generate and you repeat these same steps for all the images. Now, I personally love HaLoo AI because the quality of the animation is so much better. Now, here is one result I got from it. Now, when you get your prompt correctly, when you put in your prompt correctly, you always get great results. Now look at how cinematic this animation is. Know that HaLoo AI is one of the best video generators available right now. Next, we'll create the narration for our story using 11 labs. Click on text to speech. Then you go over to your video script. So you ensure you copy just the narrations script. And you can neglect any other irrelevant text. Click on voices. Now you can select the kind of voice you want. So I'll just use the voiceover here. You can click on voices, just check voice library and select any voice, but I'll just use the one that is here. Then slow, this speed is good. So I like the settings here. I'll just generate the speech.
Quiet corners of Nazareth, an ordinary girl was about to receive an extraordinary calling.
So you can go ahead and download it. So you can do this for all the scenes. So now that we've gotten our animations and our narrations ready, it's time to finally assemble them in CapCut. So I'll upload all my media files and arrange the animations in sequence. So now I'm aligning the voiceovers to each scene.
To a son, and you shall call. Conceive and give.
But how? I am not yet married.
Corners of Nazareth, an ordinary girl was about to receive an
After aligning the voiceover and the animations accordingly, you can then add background music to enhance engagement. You add sound effects.
In the quiet corners of Nazareth, an ordinary girl was about to receive an extraordinary calling.
Do not be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God.
What do you mean?
You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you shall call him Jesus. He will be great, the Son of the Most High. His kingdom will never end.
But how? I am not yet married.
The Holy Spirit will come upon you. The power of the Most High will overshadow you. The child born to you will be called the Son of God.
I am the Lord's servant. May it be to me as you have said.
How can
And that's it. You have successfully created a high quality animated Bible story, Bible story using AI. Keep refining your process, and soon you will start gaining traction and monetizing your content. So if you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI powered content creation tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.